How to turn on or turn off battery saver for Life360 application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly download Life360 application, tap and hold on the app icon and go to app info. There you will see the option of battery uses. Simply toggle off all the features to enable battery saver. Now once you have restricted the battery uses for this application, there might be some available features that not work properly in the application. For example, right now there has been no permission allowed for Life360 app. But once you start using the app, location, gallery, contact, all these permission will be asked, and after you allow this permission, again the restriction will be lifted from the battery saver for Life360 app. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.